suffering from boredom? Look around. There are so many interesting activities in the world. For example, you can talk with paper lips, invest money in diamonds, or weave a basket for your favorite glitters and lipsticks. And first, you'll need matches. A lot of matches. Connect them with a hot glue gun. Glue the matches in the form of letters for an impressive effect. Spread out the text and make a sun from matches with red heads. Insert connecting elements between the letters. Lay a path to the sun from the matches. Place matches on a tile or other fireproof surface. And now the best part! Ignite the first letter of the design. A few seconds and a chain reaction lights up the whole inscription. You just can't look away from the dancing flames. It looks so beautiful! This enchanting fire show can become such an unforgettable romantic surprise. The main thing, remember the rules of safety. Next, you need sheets of cardboard and a piece of dense plastic or glass. The cardboard must match the tablet screen in size. Cover cardboard with black felt. Attach black walls to a cardboard base with a hot glue gun. Attach the plastic at an angle. Attach the cardboard ceiling. Play a video on the tablet, preferably with a black background. Then the picture will be clearer. Place the tablet in the projector. A 2D hologram appears above the display. The video creates a projection of the moving image as it reflects in the plastic. The sight is simply fascinating. For the next idea, you need cardboard rings and knitting yarn. Wind orange yarn on the cardboard. For convenience, make an incision on the ring. Change the thread color to white. You should get such a picture. Cut the yarn. Remove the cardboard frame. Let's give our fluffy creation a light grooming. Attach bead eyes. Glue the ears and nose. Put hot glue on a rubber suction cup and hot glue on the red beauty. You've got an amusing pop socket in the form of a fox. The fox pom-pom will hold your phone in your hand and lift your mood with her cunning red face. And in this life hack, we will use a foam rubber sheet and a diamond pattern. Cut out shapes according to the pattern. Using a ruler and a knife, cut out the diamond faces and what you've already prepared. Some diamond outline should be the end result. Unwind tape with its adhesive side up. Cut it off. Create a small sticky pad. Put it on the piece of the foam rubber sheet. Pour on glitter. Seal with strips of wide tape on top. Cut off the extra. Make 2 diamonds with glitter and sprinkle the third with large sequins. Attach the pieces with double-sided tape. You will need a Ziploc bag. Mark the desired size. Cut it off. Seal the edges with an iron. Attach the transparent pocket to the diamond. The only step that's left is to fasten the parts together with tape. The diamond purse is ready. Put bills in the department with sparkles and put coins in the Ziploc pocket. As the great Marilyn Monroe once said, diamonds are a girl's best friend. And now you have one of your own. An ordinary bottle of nail polish will help distract you from sad thoughts. Erase the inscriptions from it, wash it with solvent, and remove the brush. You need super glue and beads for nails. Squeeze a little glue into the vial. Pour the beads inside. Shake the bottle to make the beads spread evenly on the bottom. Add some silver stars and a superstar from a red foam rubber sheet. Straighten the stellar rays with an awl. Pour in some water using a syringe. Close the lid. Who would have thought you could get such lovely miniatures from useless glass bottles? Just look at this aquarium! The design depends only on your imagination. This time you need a sheet of red colored paper that's 8 by 8 inches. Fold the square diagonally. Bend the edges to the center. Fold the triangle up, and then bend down, and once again bend to the side. Bend the corner that's sticking out again to make a small triangle. Do all that again on the other side. Unfold the figure. Add triangles along the lines. Bend the outmost triangle. Fold the paper on both sides. Pull the parts together and bend. You should get a figure like this. Turn the corner inwards. Bend it. Do the same on the other side. Hold the edges of the paper to get lips. If you give these lips a voice and make them talk, you'll bring a smile to yourself and others. We'll tell you what can be done with a regular black sock. Cut off the edge. Turn it outward to twist the sock into a donut. Cut out some decorations from red felt. Attach the glaze to the donut with a hot glue gun. Cut out bright strings and make some confectionery powder from them. These tasty treats are ready. The donuts look very appetizing. What a shame that they are not edible at all. For this life hack, you need a sheet of cardboard and an equilateral triangle with a side of 3 inches. Use a template to draw a figure like this from triangles on cardboard. Cut it out following the outline. Fold the edges. Connect the adjacent triangles with adhesive tape. You get half a polyhedron. Fill the inside of the figure with food film. Now you need water and plaster of Paris. Dissolve the plaster according to the instructions. Transfer the plaster mixture into the cardboard mold. Wait until the plaster hardens fully and remove the figure from the mold. Cover with silver spray paint. It's so shiny and beautiful! This silver pyramid can be used as a stand for books or as an element of decoration. And now take an album sheet and fold it in half. Bend the edges to the center 1 by 1 and carefully iron the folds. Fold the sheet in this way and proceed to drawing. With a black felt tip pen, draw the outline of a rocket body. Open up the postcard. There will be flames hiding on the folder part of the sheet. Paint the rocket various colors starting with the porthole. Paint the center of the flame yellow and the edges orange. The transitions of warm colors look very impressive. Unfold the sheet quickly. A bright flame escapes from the rocket nozzle. An excellent postcard for a young space lover. For this fun game, you will need elastic bands, a stick, some painter's tape, and 2 glasses. Glue the glasses to each other using adhesive tape. Make such notches on the stick. Connect the elastic bands. Hook the elastic band on the cuts on the stick. The second end is wrapped around the glasses. Stretch the elastic band far back and release the paper projectile. It turned out to be an excellent crossbow. You can play alone or arrange competitions with friends. For this life hack, you need a sheet of cardboard. Draw a circle. Cut it out. Paint it. Choose straws of a matching color. Cut it into parts. Put markings on the edge of the circle. The distance between the points should be approximately the same. Fasten the straws to the cardboard with hot glue. Decorate the straw face with ribbons. Fasten the edge of the ribbon into a ring. Put the ring on the straw. Turn the workpiece around its axis and wrap the straws with ribbon. Alternate the colors of the ribbons and continue to weave to the very top. The end result is a bright open basket. You can use pearl half beads as decoration. These small baskets can be used as organizers for cosmetics and other useful things around your room. It doesn't take up much space and looks very nice. Are you less bored now? Which of these ideas did you like best? Write about it in the comments. Put a like on this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to click on the bell so you don't miss new interesting videos from Troom Select.